Top of the day. My name's Mike Fitzgerald. My good friend Art Laster from Plant Detectors reached out to me to see if I could help out with tree tips, Tuesday tree tips. He asked if I had a unique plant or whatever to showcase, and I thought maybe instead of picking a unique plant, we would just cover a process on a fairly common plant like Virginia Burkii. So if you'll follow along for the next few minutes, I'll show you where we start and where we finish. So from our finished 1 gallon, this is a 2-year plant, field planted plant, Virginia Burkii. It's August. It'll be January before we shear this plant, and we're looking for a rooted cutting that we're going to stick in the root. So we start with something like that. That'll be in January from this point. So like I said, this is our finished 1 gallon, 2 years in the field. We leave this growth on it so that we have these cuttings available to us in January. I'll see you at the prop house.
So after propagation, we go to the potting table, where they'll be given a light pruning and planted in a 1 gallon pot. And they'll spend the next growing season there. So here you see a bed about halfway through their growing season, starting to put on a good flush.
Just because these were along the way, I thought I'd stop and show you what 1 year's growth from our finished 1 gallon does. So this plant was planted last fall. That's 1 year from a finished 1 year. Not too bad. So thanks for coming along with us today. It's been fun showing you the process of how a Virginia Burkii starts from a rooted cutting, which you've seen. That's a 6-month process. You've seen our 2 year. You saw our 1 year. This is our 3 year. They range 5, 6, 6, 7, and some 7 to 8. What I didn't touch on was some of the uniqueness of the plant and its various colors during its growth stages. So you've got a nice dark green color between growth. While it's growing, it's vibrant blue, very pretty. Winter color is phenomenal. It's a purple hue to it. It's an amazing plant as well. Glad to show you the process. Thankful that I had the opportunity to do it. Have a great day.